This thing is absolutely wobbly. Hardly anything to it. And he knows how to fix it. Tiny. We think it's a 1930. Lightest feather. I see a tag. Yep. Body by Fisher. I'll be darned. Wonder how I want to unload this. Your Body by Fisher tag's still on this. Yeah. Oh, now it's strapped down. Wind sound warning. It's been blowing for the past 3 days. Decided to put this down in the old 73 Roadrunner spot because I don't know where else to put her. Tucker says it's about 85% complete. It's missing the driver's side door, the front of the cowl and everything, and not sure what else. There's one bad spot on the frame, which is right there. It's twisted, but easy fix. This is Tucker's project. The possibilities can be endless on this old Chevrolet. Still can't identify what it is. Some people say it's like a 1930, but I don't know. Put everything right there so that way it doesn't blow around. Tucker will sort out later. I guess most of the dash is right there. Missing some stuff. Yeah, she's a little rough. A little. And of course the transmission is gone. Rest of the drivetrain. Engine might actually be no good. Might actually be no good. I have to get around to the other side here. But strangely enough, since it's been outside for all these years, let's scoot this back some. Look at that. The entire steering mechanism's not even locked up. It's a little gummy, but hey, it's there. I guess it was metal in the front, metal in the back. The rest was just held all together by wood and some bits and pieces. Because this thing, when we first got it, I could have swore if you sneezed, it would have fallen apart. I guess what Tucker also says, that this was a 3-piece bumper. He kind of recognized it. I don't know what else to really say other than just gas tank used to be right there, similar to what the Willys 9 is. What's left of some seat, put it on Big Jericho. Actually has a spare tire holder right there, can't get to it. And what's left of the, hopefully you can see it because I'm kind of wedged, the rest of the wooden structure that actually holds the door on. I'll kind of get it on this side. Yeah, see, look at that. Held together by wood. And they stopped putting wood in their cars after, I think, 36. I faintly remember. So yeah, this needs work. A lot of work. I'm not sure what he's going to do with this. But when I had it halfway off the trailer, took a quick glance. Like I said, the frame is perfect from front and back except for the front right side. 4-door sedan, suicide doors, which means the doors in the back would open like this and the doors in the front would open like that. I think that was very common for vehicles back in the day, for Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge. Yeah, I gotta dig through this here. But yeah, that's a very, very big wheel well. Someone tried to fix it, got a little hot. Not sure what these are. I don't know if they're like turn signals or just running lights or what. But this is an Autolight Street 6. I'm not sure where the numbers are. Looks kind of similar to the Willys Night, but not quite. That's a overhead sleeve or something like that. Yeah. We'll have to see if we can actually get this kind of running, because we don't have much hope. I don't think he's going to use this engine. Of course, that's up to him to figure it out. Oh, yeah. How about that? Goes right into the cab for a heater. That's interesting. So if anyone knows what this is, please let me know. And I'll still continue to run the numbers. Even though I really can't find them anywhere. The VIN numbers don't come back as anything. Right, there's a number. So yeah, 3 right there, 3 right there, straight 6. I mean, all in all, it's not too bad. Of course, body by Fisher. What is not body by Fisher by GM? And these are the only 2 rims that came with the car. They're really beat up. I don't know if they're even remotely savable, because this one right here, yeah. Of course, if we can identify the car, we would be able to figure out what it is, other than just some sort of a Chevrolet. Not much else to really go by, but she saved, out of all of them down there, Tucker decided to save this one for some reason. No really extremely old Chevrolet, but there's a lot of potential in this. The frame can be excuse me, sorry, I thought I was gonna sneeze. The frame itself, let's see, I don't know if there's a good spot to see. Well, it's kind of a thick frame in honesty, but it can be blocked and enclosed, tubbed. Well, I shouldn't say tubbed. Just boxed, really. And you know, kind of thinking maybe like a 305 or a 350. I don't know. Something can go into this if you box the frame and everything, but that's just me. Remodel stuff. I'd like to put a metal structure into this, make it a little bit heavier, a little bit safer, but this is Tucker's project. It's a good car as it is, but it's original. He knows how to do this stuff, you know, from front to back. Just haven't had time to do a lot of this. And he knows how to do the patterns and research the stuff, but for some reason we just cannot identify the car. The VIN numbers don't come back as anything. And speaking about the VIN numbers, I'm not going to show them, of course. Not supposed to show them online, but people do. The VIN deal on this is double stamped, and it's from the factory, which means they screwed up. So don't know what exactly it is. When we get the sheriff out here to start getting more of the titles and everything on this, for all the others that don't have titles, you know, can then identify it then. But other than just, it's just some sort of a Chevrolet, you know, 4-door sedan. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on back here, what was what. Oh, come on here. Got our first bullet hole. I never noticed that until now. Just smash it together, close it up. Yeah, It's a heck of a caliber. Might be 22. Let's see. Yeah, that's a 22. Really does feel like it. But all in all, this is saved. Tucker knows what he's going to do with it. When we get more time, he'll talk about it, because this will be years from now. But also too, this will also be something to mock and make a steel reproduction body of. Because once we get out of phase 1, phase 2, get going a little bit more, I think it's going to be around phase 3 or phase 4, we'll start doing that, making some steel reproduction bodies. And this will be a pattern for another one, along with the Willys Night back there. But hold on here, let's look at the engine here real fast. Because of course Chevrolet, and then Willys. Let me grab my phone before I forget it. Oop. Hold on here. Oh, where'd that container come from? I never noticed that. I gotta pick that up here a moment. But yeah, because this is a sleeve. I'm not sure what this fender's to. It's just been out here. Yeah, look at the difference between a Willys and a GM. Man. Straight 6. Looks like about the same length. In honesty, I gotta get this up off the ground too. There's been so much stuff happening. Well, there you all have it. Tucker's fabulous 1900 and something Chevrolet 4-door sedan. Again, still can't identify it. Also research around. So we'll see what happens. And I have an advisor that's helping with the channel. She said, don't feel embarrassed when you say this, but thanks for all the support. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really hate asking for subscribers, but she says, get over it. Everyone else is doing it. And if you want to go places and everything online with your online business, with you and your brother, you got to start doing this. So if you make it at the end of the video, thank you very much. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. So one last look. We're almost done collecting stuff, but I'm not sure what he's going to fully do with this. So, but doesn't matter on cars, Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, you name it, we collect it. Gonna restore them. I know I was saying that since the beginning. Just keep after hiccup after hiccup after hiccup. But now I gotta get the rest of the vehicles out, and rest of the parts, and go from there. And then organize the property, build the rest of the privacy fence, and yada yada yada. So that pretty much does it. So see what happens on the video this coming Sunday. I don't know what's going to happen, because I'm going to go out to the salvage yard tomorrow and just kind of go from there. So y'all have a good one now. Me on behalf of Tucker, wherever he is traveling right now, wish you all a do. Take care now, stay safe. See you later, and thanks again for the support. Yeah, we got to. Could be worse. Could be worse. Okay. With this trailer, who knows anymore?